Yo, what's up everybody? Ochoa back with another video. And so in today's video, I feel like this has been long awaited, but we got the spoiler in the back. So like I've always said in like all my other videos, if you don't follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, you should probably go do so. I'll leave my Instagram down below in the description, so you can just go click on it and, you know, follow me, so you guys can stay up to date to what's gonna happen to the car and everything that's coming. So I did post a picture of when I got the spoiler on my Instagram and on my Snapchat, so like I said, go follow me. But today we're gonna be doing an install. I can't install it myself. I was just gonna put some 3M tape, but there's a couple holes that don't line up with the car, so I'm thinking we're gonna have to go do new holes. So we're here outside my stepdad's shop and we're gonna have him put it on for us. So hopefully he's a little bit detailed so I can explain the process for you. If not, then I'm sorry guys, and it's probably just gonna be a sped up clip of him doing it. But yeah, I'll show you what it looks like after it's put on. So yeah, just hope you guys enjoy and stay tuned for the install. Alright guys, so we've made it inside the shop. So what I gotta do now is basically take out the spoiler. From here on, I guess it's not my job to put it on, it's my stepdad's job. So we're just gonna leave it kinda set on. Well, I guess I can kind of set it up so I can give you guys an idea of what it looks like right now. So let me show you what it's supposed to look like once it's mounted on. It's supposed to look like this, or something like this. It basically looks like a Civic SI, but without, you know, the rear bumper and shit. But it doesn't look that bad. I really like the way it looks. But obviously it's not done. This isn't gonna complete the look though. I do have like a little special thing that's gonna go on top. I haven't ordered. Let me explain to you guys why my stepdad has to put it on and why I can't put it on myself. So if you guys see, the spoiler lines up pretty good with all the holes and it covers most of them. So you see that one's covered, but you see these three right here. I don't know how well the camera picks it up, but there's like a few holes right here that aren't fully covered. And yes, the wing does stick out a little bit, so I guess they are protected from the water. But what I would like to do is see how I can get the wing installed, either by I know that the wing covers the other holes, so I'm not too worried about that, but I would like to get these holes covered up just so that they're not there, because one, they look ugly, and two, I just don't want it to get wet, the trunk to get wet or anything. So I'd rather just get them removed, and I'm gonna have my stepfather do it professionally, because what I planned on doing was just putting 3M tape and sticking it on. But he did tell me that because we do live in Boston, I don't trust people. I have trust issues, that with just the 3M tape, somebody would have came if they liked it and just yanked it off. And he did kind of brighten up my mind when he said that, and I'm kind of glad he did. So I'm just gonna let him put it on professionally, guys, and hopefully he gives us a little bit of details through the process. But if not, then it's fine, and we'll just show you what it looks like after. So yep. So obviously, first things first is remove all the clips from this thing. It should be a simple process. I don't think I gotta explain it to you guys, but step one. Quick word of caution, be careful when taking the real spoiler off, the original, because I kind of fucked it up right here. Got a few scratches on the paint and the hood, little dents. That's okay, this is my car, but if you guys care about your car a lot more than I do, then I would be extra careful, because it looks a little ugly, but hopefully the spoiler covers that up. What's up, baby? So for those of you watching up to now, what he's doing is he's basically getting a piece of metal and he's cutting it down so they can fit the little holes, because what he wants to do is he wants to like glue the metal onto the little holes so that the holes are basically covered up but not stuck in the hole completely, so if I ever want to put on the stock spoiler again, I can just boom, put it right back in the hole without having to fully cover them up. So we're basically doing this the easy way, because if not, then later on we're gonna have to re-drill new holes for the stock spoiler, and that's not what we want to do. We just want to keep the normal holes right here and just make new ones for the new ones. So we're gonna keep these, just cover them up, basically like a little patch, and that's it. So all he's doing is cutting metal to fill them, and right now he's just marking them with a marker so that he knows exactly where they're gonna go and how big they gotta be.
We can't multitask here, sir. This gonna go.
This is why I don't.
You know what? Wait.
guys, so my GoPro's dead, so I'm recording on my phone now, but the spoiler is finally on and I am in a different setting. I've driven around with it, it's tested it on, it hasn't fallen off, so I think it's finally time to reveal what it looks like. And it's starting to get dark out, so I gotta do this quickly, and so here you go. But yeah guys, there you guys go. The spoiler looks great on the car. I really like the way it looks. Only thing is that I don't like is there's these little like glue spots that I do gotta get rid of still, but hopefully I can get rid of that when I get to the wash. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's a quick little install. Obviously you don't gotta make it as complicated as it was, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. We're almost at 500 subs, so just get me there. Remember, our ultimate goal is 1,000, and I've been really loving the support lately, so let's get to 500 and just subscribe. And thanks for watching. Ochoa out.